The easiest function to use here is actually a negative cos, because a negative cos would start at the bottom and go like that. So negative cos. So if I use a negative cos, then negative, same amplitude, same B value, same displacement. What's the phase shift if it's negative cos? Starts at the on the y-axis at the bottom. Starts on the y-axis at... There isn't a phase shift. So this one is the easiest to work with because you don't need to put a phase shift in. In fact, you can just write it this way. 13 cos bracket pi over 16t plus 15. Any of those work? I'd say this is the easiest. Okay, so could you all please put that into your graphing calculator? And then looking at one rotation, there it is. Then here's a simple question. Simple question to answer. How far above the ground is Carolee after 10 seconds? So a question like that, all you put in is t is equal to 10, and you're looking for what's her height when time is 10. So then we're just taking our graph, and I guess on here we're saying the time is 10, what's the height? Or on here, calculate the value when x is equal to 10, and it gives you your y value right there. So the height, 19.97, are units, meters. Yes. This fourth question here, part D. How long will it take Carolee to be 20 meters off the ground for the fourth time? Okay, this is asking us to find time given the height. So just like we did in Math 11 with all of those parabola questions, if you have the y value and you're trying to work backwards to find the x value, then you have to graph y2 20 and look for the intersection. But what's the problem is we're assuming she's gone around the Ferris wheel twice. So as in once, twice. So we're going to have to increase our domain to 2 rotations to 64. So set your window so you can see 2 rotations. Graph y2 equals 20 and find the fourth intersection. Okay, so we're looking for this point right here, which we're just going to do using our menu, option 5, intersect, first curve, second curve, and then move your cursor so it's right near the one you want. Okay, so I'm getting an intersection at, remember your units, this is time equals 53.989 seconds. I'm going to say at 54 seconds. Before you turn the page, let's look at a faster way to do that. Okay, this is fine when I said the fourth time, but what if Carolee got stuck on the Ferris wheel and went around 30 times? Then you don't want to count to, oh, I'm at the 30th. Can you see how this is like a coterminal angle? It's like she hit this height for the second time, plus the period of the function. So you could have equally got this by finding the intersection right here. $21.989 and adding 32 seconds. So at 22 plus 32, you're going to get to 54. It's like a coterminal angle. So it's just giving one more rotation and in the spot. Now, you're going to have to be careful that you're not giving this answer, but you're giving this answer. Okay, because if I asked you the third time, how many seconds does it take till she reaches a height of 20 for the third time, then you'd want this number plus 32. Okay, so like